Next item on the list is the delivery completion rate. Now this is a boon for a DSP. And the reason is that sometimes unforeseen circumstances lead to us not being able to finish our deliveries. Could be a flat tire, could be a number of problems locating houses, could be construction, traffic conditions, you name it. Everything is going after our delivery completion rate. Let's talk about the algorithm, the magic algorithm that calculates our routes. It is extremely accurate because it takes the last 4 weeks of deliveries done by delivery associates and by flex drivers delivering to Amazon Prime customers. So these are people order all the time. And by averaging the last 4 weeks every single day of deliveries between the stops, the system can calculate with incredible accuracy how long it should take for you to complete each stop. And it is very accurate. What it can't factor in is unforeseen circumstances. Unable to access the property due to a gate without a code, having to call the customer because there's a problem with animals in the yard. Things like that aren't really taken into consideration. But we understand that. There are also other things that affect the delivery completion rate, such as business closed or unable to access, unable to locate, and things that can prevent you from making a delivery. Security access code needed. All these things add up. And the delivery completion rate is pretty simple. When you pick up a package, you have said, I've got the package. And now you're obligated to deliver the package. If you can't deliver the package, it's going to affect your delivery completion rate, even if it's not your fault. Okay? And the reason is Amazon needs all their packages delivered. So it's not a good thing to be bringing packages back. So your perception of that is critical. You should not think that it is okay to bring packages back. You should try everything that you can to ensure that you deliver the packages, to limit this amount. Even if it's a business and it's closed, and it's obviously closed. It's Sunday and it's 8 p.m., okay? Call the customer twice. You might be surprised. You may be able to make that delivery. If not, sure, you got a business closed. Yes, it does affect your delivery completion rate. But you have to call the customer twice or call them once and text them once. 2 forms of communication to ensure that you can make that delivery. Okay? Just giving up on a delivery is not very cool. But you shouldn't waste a lot of time on it. Okay? So there's a problem. Can't access the gate. You call the customer once. You call them twice. They don't answer. You mark the package unable to deliver. Unable to access, right? Customer's going to get that message. You go on to the next stop. You might get contacted by your DSP to go reattempt at the end of your route. But if you waste too much time trying to get access to that place, the clock's ticking. And that time is not accounted for. So it's best to just call the customer once when there's a problem. Call them twice. They'll usually pick up. If they don't, mark the package accordingly and then move on. Don't skip the stop. Okay? If you skip the stop, it doesn't highlight the problem. And then you'll get blamed at the end of the route if you don't finish your route because of the problems that you experienced, because you didn't mark them appropriately. So it's critical for your delivery completion rate that you mark the packages accordingly if you're unable to deliver them. And if you have time at the end, go back to there, go into today's itinerary, go over to the summary tab and go into problems and reattempt that delivery. It'll give you a chance to do it. And hopefully you can get all of your packages delivered and you get 100% delivery completion rate. If you don't stay on task and on target, you risk running business closed or people being unavailable at the scheduled time of delivery. So stay on task and on target, and delivery completion rate shouldn't be a problem for you at all.